What you just heard was the sound of thunder drums mixed with snapping tree trunks. This is from a film called Belloe that I worked on last year. It is a really creepy horror film. It's about a young pregnant woman who's going on a solo hike in Tasmania when her fetus starts to haunt her. I wanted to use sounds from the natural environment because I wanted to make it feel like the natural world was turning against her, like something organic is turning perverted, because that's exactly what's happening inside her body. We called these the Ents for the death march, and this is what it sounded like.